Hey guys, I'm Gitika from Gitika's channel and I'm here going to discuss about the mass communication and journalism for especially the mass communication and journalism students. So today we are going to discuss about the communication. What is communication? So what is communication? Communication is simply the act of transferring messages, informations and ideas through words, signs or expression. It can be through various acts. It can be verbal, non-verbal, facial expressions, wordings, texting, writing. It can be of any form. But communication is simply the sharing of ideas. Many people think communication is this and that. You are confused with all the heavy logos, but I'm here going to tell about exactly what is the communication and its types. So here we go again. It's the types of communication. These are the 5 types of communication based on the quantity of people. That's first, intrapersonal. Intrapersonal communication. This refers to internal communication going on within a person. We receive the stimuli either through the senses or from the thought itself. These messages are sent to the brain as electric signals, thinking, meditation, dreaming. You can easily see here the picture that is showing a girl thinking of herself. It is the example of intrapersonal communication. You can also understand it with the meditation also. Now second, the intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication is the exchange of information between 2 or more people. When 2 or more people transfer their messages, exchange ideas, informations and tell all about the activities, then this communication comes in the category of interpersonal communication. Like you can see here, the group of people talking together. Now, third one is the small group communication. Small group communication within formal or informal groups or teams. It is a group interaction that results in decision making, problem solving and discussion within an organization. Example would be a group planning, a surprise birthday party for someone, a team working together on a project. So this can be formal and informal communication in the group. In a small group of 4 to 5 people, they can participate in a communication. They can exchange ideas, tell about planning, process, management. They can have any type of formal and informal communication. The next one is public communication. This public communication helps when someone addresses the public or try to convey some messages and information to people. This will be a little mass type of media, but this will be on some lesser note. But this will also be very helpful to you. Public communication mostly used in seminars. And the last one is mass communication. Mass communication means how people convey information and messages to huge masses of people. This sector covers all the area of huge population where information can be shared in one go. Like media, internet, television, radio, magazines and newspaper. You can easily understand this, how a one click can transfer the messages to the crores of people, millions and billions of people out there in just one click. This is the power of communication, people. And mass communication is the way too fast and way too a good medium for anybody to get feedback, give messages and sharing about anything. So guys, these were the communication and the types of communication based on the quantity of people. So in the next video, we'll talk about the modes of communication. That's it for today. Please, if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share, do leave comments. And please tell me about your queries, your questions, your any type of problems related to this type of subject. I'll try to give all the answers to all these people. So thank you so much for watching. And this is Gitika signing off. Bye-bye.